Olá, sou o Guilherme. Being outside in the nature, I would say, and the unpredictability of what might happen it's pretty fun. Sino que agora vou ter que mentir, eu não quero. Okay, so my favorite car is the pink one that somebody else already chose. My favorite Jeep is this one back here because it's one of the long boys. We only have two, and I like this one better than the other one, and they're more comfortable. They feel more fun to drive. Can I tell that story of that time you showed me here? One of my favorite stories, I was driving through the woods and I saw an owl on top of a tree. On top of a tree, no, on top of what? On a rock with a woman laying next to her, like all diva style. And I was like, we have to stop the car. And then we saw this like big owl. And the lady was like, yes, his name is Mufasa. And I bought him at a medieval fair. It's like, what? Random, but it was cool because it was beautiful. You gotta do it. You gotta do it because the boys know what they're doing. Years of refining this one day that you're gonna go on, do. And yeah, gotta do it. Oh, wow. There's that.